Alright guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, Ace Transform, the same Ace Transform that I used to post game. So in this video we will just work this charging port. As you can see, this charging port is already defect, so it cannot be useful. So are we going to throw this board away? No. So the first thing we are going to do is for us to get our charging port ready. So when we get our charging port ready, we get our soldering iron ready, we got our soldering flux ready, and our lead ready. So if you are having these 4 equipment, you are good to go. And lastly, your sucker. So it is the one that will enable you to work this thing very well. So this is it. The first thing, the charging port, it is ready. So the next step is for us to take that the charging port board to the hanger. So let us hang it up. So look at it. So it is very simple with just a soldering iron, no heat gun guys, just a soldering iron, just a piece of soldering iron. You can do this by yourself guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, if it is met like this, just grab your picker and remove it softly. As you can see, it is removed totally. So you penetrate those 4 holes. So that is it. When you penetrate those 4 holes, then you are going to put a new charging port to this thing guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. It's your boy again, Ace Transform. So just follow this video and it is going to take you on a full tutorial. So if you are having problem with your phones, so try to follow these steps. So in coming days, in coming videos, I will be uploading tips about phones, about our gadgets, about anything DIY guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe and turn off the notification bell so that you can follow amazing upload. Thanks guys.